Migrated to Canada with the spirit of Fado inside her. She became a Gabi Walker, a Pan-Africanist fighter. Louis Lang Little, a freedom fighter too. A famous Grenadian, she come from Landigland. Louis Lang Little, must be remembered too. Oblivion. Instead, she should serve as a beacon, as an inspiration for every black woman. Louis Lang Little, a freedom fighter too, a famous Grenadian. She come from Landigland. Louis Lang Little, must be remembered too.
Louise Langdon Little, she must be remembered too. Indeed, 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 indeed. Good evening, everyone, and welcome, welcome, welcome to the 2026 edition of the Ladigue Community Heritage Honors Public Webinar 2026, the 7th annual. I am very pleased this evening to be your host. My name is Tesfa Peterson, aka Akiwawa, from the beautiful village of Chantemel in Grenada. And this evening's webinar is a collaboration of a group of community organizations, among them the Institute for People's Enlightenment in Grenada under their Dare to Understand Enlightenment series, the Grenada Education and Development Program, GrenEd, as well as Caribbean Freedom Fighters. This evening, we are very pleased to have with us, guiding this discussion and our keynote speaker for this evening, award-winning professor of African American Studies and History out of the University of Chicago, Urbana-Champaign, Dr. Eric S. McDuffie, one of the leading experts on the life and legacy of our dear Grenadian foremother, Helen Louise Little Nay Langdon. As part of the work of the Ladigue Community Heritage Organization, we are advocating that the third Monday of February becomes Ladigue Community Honors Heritage Program Memorial Day, memorializing the life and legacy of Helen Louise Langdon. Welcome, welcome everyone. We are very pleased to have you here with us this evening. And we know that as usual, this evening's event will be enlightening. It will be inspirational. And I, for one, am really looking forward to hearing from our speaker this evening. As usual, as the evening progresses, if you have questions, there's a chat, there's a Q&A. So I invite you to put your questions there, put on your listening ears, leave your comments and all of that.